Hello everyone, Miss Pasega here. And last week you spent the entire week looking at optical images created by lenses. So for today and tomorrow, I'm going to take you through optical images created by mirrors. And we're going to start with the very easiest one of those, the flat or plane mirror. So we've already talked about plane mirrors before, with just flat boundaries here. Light that goes in towards the surface reflects across the normal line, so it has the same angle in as it does when it leaves. Now, I love this picture because it shows this so nicely, but there's a problem with this. Let's see if you can figure it out. Yeah, the blue right here should be reflecting on the outside of this, but we'll take it. Because this picture shows the difference between two types of reflection, both of which obey the law of reflection. That is, the angle formed with the normal line as it goes towards the material is equal to the angle out. But when you have a bumpy material, well, that reflection occurs randomly. See, on a flat surface, you get regular or specular reflection. On a bumpy surface, like a piece of paper, when you zoom in, it might look flat, but these microscopic divots cause all the light rays to scatter randomly instead of staying together to form an image. When light rays travel together, then images are formed, but when they scatter randomly, you get what's called diffuse reflection. A light ray that travels in might go out over here, but a similar light ray might go in a completely different direction. So, diffuse reflection is the type of reflection that allows you to see a pile of books. It's when you have some sort of microscopically rough surface, generally some sort of nonmetal, and that causes the individual rays of light to disperse randomly. In the case of the book, no image is formed because all the rays have dispersed randomly, so I could take this book and hold it up to my face and I would not be able to see an image of myself in it. We're going to come back to diffuse reflection towards the end of the unit because that's largely how we see the majority of the objects around us. With the majority of the objects around us, we can see their color because of diffuse reflection. Well, that leaves specular reflection, the type we've already studied. That's when light hits a smooth medium, and that causes the rays to be dispersed together. Since those rays stay together when they bounce off a smooth surface, they stay in the same order, allowing the image information to be clearly seen. I can look at a shiny surface of a clean car and see an image of myself because the surface is smooth. Now, that means a fun question. What color is a mirror? Go YouTube this answer. There's a great video on it for you to find. In the meantime, let's check your understanding. For all the next questions, I want you to figure out if the picture is showing something doing specular or diffuse reflection. That's it.